Good morning, guys. It's Friday. Happy Friday. And I'm with Dominick. Dominick! Where are we going? Okay, I guess I'm not going to go, huh? Why you so ugly face?
Because you wouldn't let me.
No, you don't play. He wants to play with the cigarette lighter.
Well, actually, I want to show how you put it on your foot and it burns.
No, that's not okay. We're about to head out to a field trip. We're going to be going with his family, his class. Where are we going?
Fairgrounds.
Talk to the camera.
To the fairgrounds.
What's at the fairgrounds?
I can't remember the name.
It's like some farm thing.
It's a farm.
We're going to some farm exhibit thing over at the fairgrounds, which is just like down the street from the school. So we're going to head out there. No.
Here?
So we're going to head out in a little bit. It's barely 7:51. I'm just sitting here. I finished my makeup because I don't want to look dead when I go. Stop it now. You little goofy.
What time is it?
It's not time to go yet.
You do not have to go in class.
It's all right. I'm your pass.
We have to do homework. I mean, not homework. We have to return in our homework like right now.
Like right now. It's like not even time.
Why? When do we go in class?
It's barely 7:52. School starts at 8 o'clock. I'm gonna walk in with you. Or do you want me to sit out here?
Walk.
Oh my God. He's in 3rd grade and it's like he's the cutest ever because he still wants mama to go with him. Unfortunate that I have a job that'll let me go on field trips because I went on field trips without my mom and dad sometimes. But my school's across the street, so I just literally just parked in their parking lot and I just saw my staff right now, the people that I work with. We went to drop off Victor. So yeah, today's Friday. Pretty excited. And I have the day off, so we will see what the day takes us. Say bye, Dominick.
Bye.
We'll show you guys the exhibits at the farm thingy. Bye.
I think I put it to
She's potting their lettuce. So they get to pot.
I go next.
They get to plant in this pot of lettuce, right? Okay. I got it. Thank you.
And then put it in the garden? Does it say your name in it? So what do you do with it?
Dominick, are you going to take care of that?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, actually, Dad's gonna do it.
Oh, Dad's going to do it, huh?
Oh, okay. I need
Okay. We'll get to the side after you guys plant. Oh. Anastasia, you want to bring them over there?
Yeah, there's plenty of planting stations. Hi, can we?
Trent. Where are we at? The moo-moos. You guys want to look at them over here? The crab. Look at it. Aw, look at their face. They look so happy. Hi. Hi.
Pot number 760.
Hi. Oh, no walk away. That's scary. Is he done with that? Okay.
Who's name?
Yeah. What's her? There you go. Thank you.
That's Lorraine.
And what's your little snack's name?
Stay in line, Abelino. You don't want to lose your place. Stay in line.
Where's your chaperone?
You want one? Oh, okay.
That was good. Go demo.
Where would you like to be? In the standing, in the play, or
Not in here.
in here because it's loose and pliable?
And worms. It's just made of worms. Yeah, what about
Worms are valuable for soil because they aerate the soil, then they poo-poo, they make poo-poo, which is very nutritious for plants. Because everything growing does make poop. Cows, chickens, elephants, they all make poop. And poop is really good for good plant growth.
what about dead meat?
Well, his body
Look at that black Make him a dead Mama!
Huh?
Ew!
Ew.
Are those live?
They're dead.
Can we go? Oh, rhinoceros! Look at rhino! Come on, let's go somewhere else.
You're so...
Do we have a
I'm gonna go see you wrestle. And you're gonna go back to class. You're gonna be with Miss Esco.
And nuts and seeds and all sorts of things. So those are queen bees in there. This is a picture of the queen. And you can see she's got that long pointed body. These are more queens.
Look at this.
You can kind of see what her body looks like.
What about this?
That's a queen cage, so when we have a queen, if we want to introduce her to a colony, if we just put her in there, the bees would kill her because they'd know she was a stranger. So what we do is we put her inside this cage, we put a little marshmallow in there, and then put it inside, and they get used to her smell, and they get to know her while they're chewing away that marshmallow. That's a carpenter bee, and then once the marshmallow's gone, the queen can come out and they know her. Okay, carpenter bees are the big bees that live inside dead wood. So these are carpenter bees. Alright, so you see they just chew that hole in there and that's how they get
Oh,
inside.
uh-oh.
Yep,
Oh, look, actually carpenter.
yep, yeah. Did you see this one in here?
They look like spiders.
Spiders. I wouldn't want a spider like that in mine.
Hey, don't look.
Yep, so these are the leaf cutter bees. So they chew circles in the leaves and then they make their little nests out of that. So all these little striped ones at the bottom, those are the leaf cutter bees. And these are the holes that they live in.
Beautiful. Have a great day. Beautiful. Have fun.
Kobe
This will
from
be on
Great Day.
Tuesday.
Okay. It's Kobe from Great Day. He's a local celebrity.
Let's go. I'm standing right here. Whoever wants me to pick one,
get around.
Get around, Kobe, guys. Come on.
Hurry, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Everybody say cheese. One more. Oh, one.
Da-da-da-dum.
All right. Yeah.
Da-da-da-dum.
Dominic, I can't see you.
Woo! That's awesome.
That's awesome. Thank you, Kobe. Thank you. I know, I love it. Look at that. That's so awesome. We can give that to Miss Escobar.
That's awesome.
I know.
His daughter's name is Anastasia too.
Oh, right on.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Kobe.
Sure. No, I did take it. Were you in it? Okay.
You want
let's
to
get
do a
another
selfie?
group. Hold on. Come over here.
I'll show you later. Oh, no selfie this time for him.
Can I see?
Yes, when we get home.
Right here. Get in the shot. Whoever wants to be in it, young lady. There you go. All of you. And all together.
Here, I'll show you.
Smile. Don't come forward. Big waves and smile. Big waves and smile. Everybody.
See?
There you go. Big wave and smile.
Hey, you could just make me a
Awesome.
Whatever.
Have a great day. Perfect. And this will be on Tuesday morning on Great Day.
Tuesday morning, remember. Is that cool you make Kobe? Yeah. Okay. Okay, our group, Andrew. Guys, I'm coming back home now. I just dropped off Dominic. We were in the school bus, and I feel like I'm losing my voice from talking so much to the kids and keeping them in order. It was so much fun, but man, trying to watch your own kid and 3 others, it's a lot of work. So I'm glad I only have 2 kids. So anyways, I'm on my back. I'm actually not on my back. I'm on my way home. I'm gonna go get some dinner, no lunch. I'm delirious. I'm so delirious right now because I'm starving. All we had were a bag of pistachios and some raisins and some fruit snacks from those little packages from Costco to eat. But man, the other kids had packaged food. I'm like, well, how come Dominick doesn't have one? Because Dominick, all his little friends had packed lunch and he didn't. And I'm like, no one told us. He goes, yeah. And I'm like, man, those kids were smart to bring food. But yeah, next time we will. Because we were talking to the other moms, and they didn't bring no food for their kids, but the other kids had food. And we're like, wow, I feel lousy. So we're gonna be more organized next field trip to go get Capri Suns and sandwiches for the kids next time that are in our groups. But I think this was the last field trip of the year because we only have 2 months of school left. So yeah, but it was so much fun. I recorded some good footage of the kids. It was actually farm day at the Fresno Fairgrounds. I didn't get an opportunity to go with Victor when he was in 3rd grade because I couldn't get away. So anyways, it was a good time. I had fun with Dominick. He loves it when I go on field trips with him. So yeah. So I'm about to go get some food. I'm actually going to go home and eat. I have food. I made curry last night. I didn't vlog yesterday. Yesterday I was studying, working on my study guide for my test for Wednesday, so I was pretty busy for 2.5 hours. But I'm gonna go eat some curry and take a little nap before I have to get both boys. And yeah, so happy Friday. Oh my God, it's Friday. I'm so excited. I have nothing planned. No workshops, nothing. So it's gonna be great. So I'll see you